Go.
Hello everyone, we are Team Makers Brigade and we have participated in the National Robotics League 2025 with association with the Innovation Story.
Our tagline is Bunyan se Buland. Our robot name is Brahmaveer. Our team's unique ID is 074.
Now let's unbox this. So before unboxing, we would like to introduce ourselves. I am Anish Kulkarni.
I am Preetisha Bodke. I am Rudra Ugale. I am Ranbeer Jagota. I am Charan Girase.
So let's unbox this. So here is a manual. So this is a message from the National Robotics League. Here is the safety guide and this is the construction guide. So first we get a PlayStation controller from Sony.
Pro range.
So this is the battery. So these are the blocks.
These are the wheels.
These are the wires.
This is the charger.
These are the 3D printed parts.
These are the tools of it. These are all the wires and connections of it.
So these are all the chassis and arm assemblies.